Hey guys, let's check out what's a free gift from Swiggy Instamart. Let's go. Hello, namaste. Welcome to Flying Skies 1. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling. आप कैसे हो? Okay, without any delay, we'll see what's a free gift from Swiggy Instamart. As you see in the picture, I have placed an order from Swiggy Instamart. You see here, a flying newspaper is given. You have got offers and Christ must haves. You got some riddles. It's a fun-based tasks. So if any of you are interested, you go crack the codes and have fun. Okay, as you guys are watching the video, you see a sweet box. I got it for free by applying a coupon at the checkout. Okay, in the later part of the video, I'll tell you what is the coupon code and you can check out to get a free sweet box. As you see in the picture here, there are a lot of offers right now going on. At 70% off, I have bought this. This is Patasa. You got this BG offer also, that is buy one get one free. Let me tell you, you can check out other stores on Swiggy Instamart where the clearance sale is on right now. You've got big discounts, say 70% off and even 80% off also. Now I'll tell you what is the minimum order you got to place if you want a free gift and a free sweet box from Swiggy Instamart. As you see in the picture, go to Swiggy app and you have here right on the home screen 9 rupees deal from Swiggy Instamart, a Swiggy Lite, with which you can get many offers and benefits as well. So if any of you want this 9 rupees Swiggy One Lite, you can go check my video on the I button, end screen and description box and avail the offer right now. Get back and click on Instamart please. As you see in the picture, when you go to Instamart, you will have this offers tab. You can click on offers. Once you click on that, different zones to shop at big discount as you see in the picture. But I'll show you how you can get free gift box and also BG offer. You just give in the search bar as Patasa. You see here, you add the items whatever you want, but the order value should be more than 300, then only you'll get the coupon discount. After adding the cart, go to cart. Just click on that. Once you click on that, here you go to apply a coupon. Go to view more coupons and offers. Once you click on that, you see the drop down list of all the coupons appearing here. You have to apply hello again 100. Once you apply that, you can check out or place your order. That's done. After placing the order, you can see your order includes a flying newspaper, a free flying newspaper from Swiggy Instamart, and also a sweet gift indirectly from Swiggy Instamart with a coupon of hello again 100, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe please.